A baby unicorn, shiny and bright, dance around in the morning light. Twinkle, twinkle, so much fun playing and prancing under